हे मथुरानाथ कदावलोक्यसे हृदयं त्वदवलोकगात्रं दयित भ्राम्यति किं करोमहम्। हे दीनदयाल नाथ, you are so kind, so merciful, but you become to Nath of Mathura. Means how can you forget to whole Brajvasi?
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Hare
How we can forget to whole Brajvasi? Because he is so kind, so merciful. He is so much attached, love and affection for Brajvasi. He is so much love to calf, cow, gopas, gopis, everyone, mother. So when we again see you, because Krishna is so much attached to Brajvasi, no? Brajvasi have attached for Krishna, Krishna attached for Brajvasi. So this, how we can forget? This Jamuna, Giriraj Govardhan, this all Brajas, your pastimes, Saridban, Giridroni, this pond, this river, this mountain, this all areas, so much remember. So when now we go that area, we cannot stay there. Tears coming. Because when go, then this all your remembers coming. What you did, where what you did, this all in mind coming. So before when you was here, then anywhere going your places, then we feel so cool. That time, that creepers, that trees, that kunjas, giving so much coolness, so much peace, because you are there with us. But when you're not there, not here, then these all things become like full of fire, burning. These all areas, no, this बिन गोपाल बैरिन भई कुंजे तब वह लता लगत तन शीतल अब भई विषम ज्वाल के कुंज. Without Krishna, these all holy places become like enemies. When I go there, then there's so much fire coming, like balcon, ज्वालामुखी. This क्या बोलते हैं, जो फायर होता है ना, जो जमीन से निकलता है, balcony, ज्वालामुखी, volcano. So this all trees like that much fire coming out from that trees, creepers. So we cannot stay there, and they are just crying, and these tears here running like river, and this whole cloth is wet. No drying any cloth, no. Nisidin barsat naina hamare. So when you left this Braja, then in Braja have no another season, only one season, that is rainy season. It's too much just rain coming, crying. So our darshan open maybe, no? Huh? Open. Is this it until? Huh? No. Achha, okay. No. Not open. Okay, when open will.
Rainy season.
Huh?
Rainy season.
Rainy season too much. So Mahaprabhu in Jagannath, this mood, no, how Krishna will come to Vrindavan. How can build? So this is Jagannath chariot when pulling, then Mahaprabhu like to Krishna bring to Vrindavan. This is our bhajan. This is our like Brajvasi mood. When you feel, then Krishna darshan more easy. So Mahaprabhu that mood. And when he's pulling this chariot, then thinking I'm taking Krishna, this Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. And that time is so much mood of Radhika, so too much lamenting, like suppression, like in Puri Leelas, always crying, like this what is bird, Hago, क्व नंद कुल चंद्रमा, क्व सिखी चंद्रिका अलंकृति, क्व मंद मुरली रव, क्व महा, क्व नील दूती महेंद्र मणि नील दूती, क्व रास रष्टाडंबी, क्व सखे जीव रक्षौषधि निधिर मम सुहृत, क्व हंत हंत धिक विधि. this son of Nanda Baba, with the moon of Nand dynasty, moon of Gokul, because full race of Gokul, full sweetness of Gokul, full taste of Gokuls. Because when moon rise, too much give pleasure, too much give happiness. No one feel uncomfortable moon rays. Moon rays very sweet. So Krishna is like that moon. This giving all Brajvasi. Where is that? Where is that Krishna? Who is the peacock feather? Peacock feather wearing, who is dancing Ras Leelas, who is the my life's medicine, all this. So this all Sichastak, this slok Mahapuru's Vipralambho suppression bho test. This all everything. So Jagannath Puri who are in front to this Jagannath. So Jagannath one Swarupas gives suppression or make bhajan to ripe. Ripe. Otherwise no suppression, then how can be ripe? Or any fruits need to ripe, then we need some warm, some heat, then become ripe. So this, sweetness, yes. So without Vipralam, meeting is not nourish. Because no hungry, food is no taste. So this mood always give hunger. Always. Mean they never satisfied from Krishna. Because too much suppression, too much hunger. Like if too much hungry, then as much food come, you eat or not satisfied. But no hungry, then if even niceness, many niceness things, no feel taste. So Krishna is so beautiful, like who can satisfy by Krishna? But Krishna, this Leela, Krishna one arrangement giving suppression. Or suppression both sides. Not only this side, Krishna also feels suppression for Brajvas. He also crying, where I came, which area is staying, which people is staying. He no feel happy. Because out of Braja, this mood cannot cultivate. Understand? Cannot cultivate, cannot grow up. Because this place power. When you go to out of some area to another area, the mood immediate change. Like when we in Vrindavan, in Seva Kund, Krishna, another one, another not naturally peace coming. Because this power place. But when go out, just little go out, start disturb, start different mood, like feel you some uncomfortable, not so much happy, not so much pleased, not so much pleasure. So Krishna also when out on this outside association, he also not feel good. So he also burning. And after too much suppression we meet, then they no like to again go out.
Yes.
Like too much hot, too much summer, and like going outside journey when return home, then cool. And again no like to go outside, feel to rest. So this way Mahaprabhu this saying like this one 1 second विरह समुद्र जले काम मिलेंगे रे गोपी गाने नेहा तारे पार. कहा है ना चाहे उधार means we are in family life and we are too much suffering, but we no like to stop to our family life. This is not problem. देह स्मृति नहीं जार संसार को कहा तार तहा है त न चाहे उधार. विरह तिमंगल जले विरह समुद्र जले काम तिमंगले गिने गिले गोपी गण नेह तार. So we have no any attached to our body. We no remember to ourselves. When people material life, when worldly connection, when you feel I am this body, then you have to some relationship, some attachment to this world. But we no remember to our body. We just 24 hours thinking about you. So we have no dehi smriti. When no dehaviman, I am male, I am female, I am this, that, then doing to material activities, then material no karma and material attachments. But you go to another situation like forget yourself. This is like samadhi level. Or samadhi level, no world, no maya, no sansar, no attachment, no bond, no, because you're different level, no. So sansar could not there, no material any suffer there. So Gopi no want to relief from that because we have no this type demand or this type bhajan. We are Virah Samundras Jal, oceans of separation we are sinking. And they are in oceans big no crocodile, big fish. They are eating. Kamatim this. What is that? Mood of serve to you. Desire of serve to you. This is our anarthas. They are eating because I can.
So this Tumingla is Sevakecha.
This desire is eating me, means the desire giving too much suffer, too much pain. Because you have desire to serve, you cannot serve directly. So this is big pain, big suffer. So you come and you cross to that problems. Gopikana Neha Tarapari. Some are in sinking in ocean, then some boat come on boat carry on ship carry on bring to bank, then you feel happy. So you come, means yourself your foot walk on seat chariot to come Vrindavan. And when you come Vrindavan, then our all separation oceans will cross. He will cross from that separation. So Gopi, so we all gopis cross to that separation oceans and take to your feet, This called Mahaprabhu saying, Anir Hridayman, more man Vrindavan. Normal people's heart and mind like same, Some thinking, what is my heart? That is my mind. What is my mind? That is my heart. So this is just heart, mind thinking. That nothing there, another thing thinking. But my mind or my heart, my, this thought is like full of Vrindavan. Because you like to bring Krishna your place, then you have to fully be Vrindavan. When meditate to Vrindavan, think Vrindavan. You think your heart, your mind is Vrindavan. Our mind has big power, no? He can be very big. By mindly, you can make big area. You can make nice, soft of earth. Means this earth is no hard. In mindly can make. This area, this mind is like one big area like Vrindavan, like earth. But there's so much grasses. And that grasses are very soft. Like cotton. Some grass is sharp, no? You go then hurt your feet, no? But this have to mindly make this grass very soft. More than Krishna's feet soft, because Krishna is also very soft like butter. So this grass is more than butter soft. This way you have to make your mind. That area, means this type thing, your mind is Vrindavan. So Mahaprabhu is saying, my mind is like that. And for you, I am making my mind very soft, like more than butter. There's no any anarthas, no any love, puja, pratishtha, this, that. If not this type, then Krishna cannot there enter. Because this anarthas hurt to Krishna. This is like throne, this is like a stone, this is like desires like up, down. Then if this area is not level, or you sit or you come there, you walk, then you feel very uncomfortable. So if Bhakta know this type give heart, this type mind, not make like Vrindavan, then Krishna not come there. So Mahaprabhu is saying, for you I am making like that. Practically I am making like that. Because Mahaprabhu everything left, for this mood test. Tattva sudustaj suresit laj rachmi dharmishta arya bajsa jadgadharanyam Maya mrigam daitiksit manmadhavat bande mahapurusate charanarabinda. This what called people, these worldly things, when getting, they no like to live. Taktva sudustajya. Sudustajya. You have some nice family, nice societies, nice, your neighbor, your wife, your everything, your followers, everything. Then who like to live this? Because Navadip's Parikar, Mahaprabhu so near dear, Vishnu Priya, Sachi Mata, and all his associates. Dustajya, this type of association who will live. Before thinking your life will go out, you will die. You die ready, but living this no ready. But Mahaprabhu left this all for that case. Tattva Sudustaj Sulilaj, Dharmishta Arja Bachasagat Tadagadaran. This one Brahman, curse him, for Leela. If Mahaprabhu's Parikar no allow him for darshan of this Sankirtan. So he curse, something, it break his prayer or curse. So that Mahaprabhu, that is curse accepting. Because Leela, then Jogmai, this arrangement, your material life will destroy. You cannot stay more family life. So he becomes sannyasi. Dharma Gadgadharanyam. And he ran behind to all people who are running behind to Maya. Maya Mrigam. Like Ramchandra running to Maya, This beer who's become by Maya is like gold. Maya Mrigam. So this material worldly people is not running without Maya, behind Maya. Like gold, family, money, this, that. So Mahaprabhu run behind them. Hey, don't go there. You come to this side. You come to Krishna side. So this Mahaprabhu what we do to Pranam. Means himself this thing testing and also Jivas inviting. What I taste, what I feel, what I'm doing, he also same thing do feel and taste. And come to with us. So that Mahaprabhu we do Pranam Dhayam Sada Tattva Sudustasya Rajlasin Dharmis Arja Batasa Jadagadharanya Maya Mrigam Daiti Svitman Madhavat Bande Mahapurusate Charanaravan. So these material things like we have desire, ifsit, we want this desire. So Mahaprabhu went to them and brought to them, or they told to them, you make your heart very soft like Vrindavan. Because who's Mahaprabhu Parikar, they think this mode. My mind, my heart, my mind, like Vrindavan. So forest and Vrindavan, my heart is same, Bane Mane Ek Karima. So you come there and manifest your feet. When you manifest, you come to our Vrindavan, then we will think we have full mercy for us. Tabhi tomar purna kripa ma. So this Mahapurush's mood, Puri, this mood. Anyhow, Krishna's bring Vrindavan and keep forever. Alright, you have to be very soft. Your heart make very soft grass and make many ponds, rivers, mountains, trees, everything fill your heart. You have to be soft. Big, because mind have power. This our bhajan of Braja Radha Krishna Seva Manase Kari. Mindly make this all favorable to Krishna. Then there Krishna's feet will come. And Krishna's feet will come your heart. Then that time it not feel Krishna's my inside or Krishna's my outside. Bani mani ek kari mani. So same time, Brajavasi thinking Krishna's inside, my heart forest Vrindavan is playing, and same time looking this same heart is outside also. Because what is in, that is out. So Mahaprabhu is saying, Bani mani, means my mind or this forest thinking one, means how much absorb. He no feel this Vrindavan's inside or Vrindavan's from me outside. Krishna's inside or Krishna from me outside. This one knows so much attachment. Krishna never losing. Because inside or outside, both sides is Krishna. So 24 hours becoming bhajan. When sleeping, that time also bhajan. Because sleep, then Krishna inside, because he's making inside forest, Vrindavan. So even you're resting, but Krishna still start lila doing. You're dreaming, sapna jagra susukti su. Like when you dream and when you wake up or when you sleep, these three condition, three situation, Krishna is there. Sleeping time also inside Krishna. Dream also Krishna. When wake up, then also Krishna. So this is like very highest, meditation. This highest bhajan, out of thought. Our mind, our idea, this cannot come. What is Mahaprabhu saying? Bane mane ek kariman. Kaha te tumar padadvai karaha jadi uday tabe tumar purna kripa. So Mahaprabhu saying, I'm this level, this type of feelings. So your feet yourself you come in. Your feet should give me. How you forget? The same mood like the Goswami writing, Priya Swam Krishna Sahachari Kurukshetra Milita Tathaham Sa Radha Tadidamam Sangam Sukham Tatha Panta Kren Madhur Murli Pancham Juse Mano Me Kalindi Pulin Vipnaya Sprehati. Rather than saying to Krishna, O Priya, O Sahachari, O Lalite Visake, Swayam Krishna, Priya Sahachari Swayam Krishna, Kurukshetra. That which Krishna we are looking, same Krishna, Brajandananda. Or I am same Radhika, but not same mood. Because this is not place of Vrindavan. This is Kurukshetra. So Kurukshetra is, Krishna is not like Brajvasi decorated. And his talking, walking style, and everything is not like Brajas. He talk different language, no Braj language, and talking so sober, so gravity, so marjadas. His dress also different, no peacock feather, no this, no, this all no, like Gopi are looking, no, this Krishna's decoration, no? Like this mangoes, leaves, mangoes, this manjaris, mangoes, this no red dress kapoor, this no, this putting on head, some decoration, like different tableau. Vrindavan some soft flower, no, in Benugit one bird, no, Chuta Priyal Chuta Praval Barhast Bakot Palabja Mala Nuprikt Paridhan Vichitra Veso Madhye Virejetu Alam Pasupal Gostam Range Jatha Nadvaru Kwacha Gayama. So Krishna's this head decorated was Chuta Praval Barhast Bakot Palabja, like mangoes, soft and reddish lips. By that some making ornament and putting in crown with peacock feather and praval, some no special jewels what getting in Vrindavan, like many type jewels. This also middle putting in that flowers. And Barahast means peacock feather and Utpalabja, Utpal, Kalhar and Beli, Chameli, Juhis, Champas and Lotus, the many types of flowers mixing and this decoration, this crown, what Krishna's head decorating, making like different. Range Jatha Natvaru Kacha Gaimano. When Krishna Baldev both are decorating this type of flower, or when coming in stage of Vrindavan, like Vrindavan's stage of his playground, no, for Leelas, then he looked Natvar, like we saw many artists, many actors, but no compare. He's the topmost, like super star, like more than this, no star. Because Krishna's Naika Nam Siroratnam. All stars of head is Krishna dancing. So, topmost, Nayak, Mahanayak. Naika Nam Siroratnam, Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. After that, Krishna, nothing exists, Swayam Bhagavan, or he is doing this Vrindavan. So saying, when I saw in Vrindavan this decoration, this mood, Here I cannot see because this stage of Kurukshetra is different mood. You have no this time decoration, no this time mood. That time what you doing? Your hand putting to Baldev Puru's hand, shoulder, Baldev Puru's own hand putting your shoulder, a man is your friend surrounding, are they laughing, joking, dancing? Means like free, no any agitation, no any shame, no any gravity. Like normal village people, village boy, what doing? He doing like that. There is one saying, एवं निगूढ़ आत्मगति स्वमाया गोपात्मज चरित विडम्बे रेमे रमा लालित पाद पल्लवो ग्राम्य समम ग्राम बदी सचेष्टित एवं निगूढ़ आत्म स्वगति स्वमा एवं निगूढ़ आत्मगति स्वमाया. Krishna is the supreme person of Godhead, is the all opulence, all know Bhagavan, as well as Samagdasya, Digvijasya, Jasasya, Sri Gyan, Vairag, this all six opulence. But this thing Krishna hide by Yogamaya. Yogamaya cover everything. Of Krishna there no showing any opulence. Evam Nugud Atmagati Samaya. This Gopatmaja, Nanda Nandan, Jasoda Nandan, is correct that his past time gives so much bewildered. Who's Krishna, whose lotus feet, no Lakshmi one moment leaving from her hands, always putting in hand or too much doing seva. Her that feet Krishna's walking without shoes in Vrindavan. Then Vrindavan should be soft, no? When Krishna walking without shoes, then that Vrindavan becoming like lips. Her lips, Vrindavan own lips putting on his street. On Krishna walking there, then he feels so soft. Lips how much softness, no? In lips have no bone. So soft. At this step, Vrindavan becoming soft. Areme Rama Lalit Padapalva. That Krishna who is the personality of Lakshmi and great ladies, no? Great personality. That Krishna Gramya Samam. In village boy, what doing? This time is behaving. Means making jokes, face making very ugly, very funny. Like what I can do, then friends be more happy. Sometimes like frog type jumping, sometimes like tortoise type doing, monkey type doing, peacock behind, cuckoos what doing like this type. Sometimes they going inside water, hiding, friend looking where Krishna, where Madhu Mangal, where each other hide, and inside going catching feet. Makes like very funny. When come out then full of water, on own water, another friend face doing like this. And he also do like this. Like in village, boys, what do, no? There are no rule regulation, any type can behave. So this behavior, Kurukshetra, not possible. If Krishna do there like that, then saying this Krishna's, no? No marjadas, no? Because this is a law, rules, no? It don't be uddhat. Like always you stay in marjadas. Like you're sitting, you're walking, you're talking, you're looking, your all activities should be in marjada. Like all avatars are marjadas. No, they're doing like this. But Krishna have marjada, Krishna have no marjada. Both. If you want, like now Kurukshetra is doing so much marjadas. Very carefully speaking. Because his Yuvaraj, no, is Dwarka's one responsibility, personality. It's like big post, Progression Maharaj giving him, no, so his bird, all are very carefully hearing, or too much giving weight, or too much giving respect. So there he cannot make any jokes, any funny. Understood? Like one very high personality do like this, and people no respect. Like he doing like child, he doing like baby. So Krishna there cannot behave like baby and child. So this soberness Brajvasi no like. Because they never saw Krishna this mood, this bhav. So they look Krishna, they rather say, I'm that Radha, I'm same Krishna, but both are here not same. Because when I came here, then I also become same Marjadas. Because all are measurement Krishna very high, high ranks, and Krishna is like high personality. And every year thinking about me, Radha is Krishna's very beloved. So this Radhika cannot make jokes or no make like Braja how order Krishna, how behave with Krishna. Here I also cannot do like that. Because by place, no, you have also control. So Radharani also becomes so much Marjada. Where which Radha in Vrindavan, bank of Jamuna, Dhir Samire Jamuna Tire, where too much order to Krishna like Singar, but he pick up this flower, make some special ornament, put my hair, do this, that, no many order on Krishna is like Swadhin Bhatrika, no fully control over Radhika. So this time I cannot hear order to Krishna. Because this place giving so much, like Marjada, so much shyness, sigh, not too much like. So I'm same Radha, I'm same Krishna, but still my mind here no life. I no want 2 minutes to stay here. Just staying, but heart no want 1 second to stay here because that is not same mood, same taste coming. Sometimes by mistake you go to another area, then going, but quickly like to come out. Or you go your real natural place where you're naturally staying, relaxing, then
Yes.
jugas and life you like to stay, but not tired, no Krishna. Rather same Krishna, but still my mind is not here. Happy. Tatham Sarada Taridam Uve Sangam. Both are visiting, same visiting is coming. But Tathapi Antakran Madhur Murli Pancham. Vrindavan's eternal proposed, no? There have many, places. Or some places so high, so deep. There no one can enter. Some some area where Brahma coming, Shiva coming, demigods coming, they are doing to prayers. They are too much asking Krishna, too much begging Krishna, like Brahmi Mohan Lila, this Lila. So this is external, out proposed. Vrindavan, but outside this, when this called to Golok. But who's Gokul or Gokul inside? Sahasra Patra Kamalam Gokulakham Madpadam Tat Karnikaram Tat Dhamam. That is the center of that Gokul, this lotus. Gokul looks like lotus one. And lotus middle where this Palan is staying, Parag. This area, center area is Radha Krishna's secret lila, Nirvit Nikunja lila. There no one come. Only party of Radhika's, Rup Manjari, Rati Manjari, Vilas Manjari, Lamang Manjari, all very eternal associate. They only there can go. So no outside any disturbance. Some Priya Narmasaka, Vista who are in the same mood, they some level, some distance is staying. No so in, but no so out. Like maybe inside this temple, something going, we are sitting here, like this mandir. But if any seva, some order come. You go, like Radharani is not coming, Krishna is here, but no Radharani coming, then he bring from Jatila place. Then Madhu Mangal Suval Samal, especially Suval, he makes some arrangement and sent to Radharani and he's staying there like Radhika. They go like this. So this all eternal past we are going, my mind like to that place to go return. Tatha Antakale Mudhar Murli Pancha, where Krishna's inside and fifth notes Murli playing Pancham Swar and we become intoxicated. Where Krishna so much smile, so much laugh, so much playing, many types, some chase, some this, some that. And too much, we are making funny, idea. Like playing, okay. Who will lose? What will do like this? Yesterday we got some. Okay, we play. We are conditioned. Rather than saying, if I lose, then I become yours. Or if you lose, then you become to mine. So both of them, this time we are playing. So here we cannot do like that. So Tatha Pantakar Madhur Murli Pancham, जिसे मनो में कालिंदी फुलिंदी बनाया है. Bank of Jamuna, this forest, Dhir Samir, this area, Bansi Bhat, is a very sacred, hidden place. So my mind there, too much running, more than fast air, more than fast mind, like to go there. Means like to Krishna take quick in second there. Or if Krishna there come, stay with us, then we can understand Krishna really merciful. Krishna really like to us. But here with Krishna, we know feel Krishna has mercy for us. Because it's all changed. It's no any smell coming like Brajvasi. So this type person we don't like because what we look, this thing I like. Where is this Chuta Praval Barhas Bakot Palabja? Where's your peacock feather? Where is this all your decoration? This all flower, this all your turban? What is Brajas decorating? You are like big crown, gold crown, big shoes, big sword, like no Kshatriyas no Abhiman too much. Big Gavheti, everyone too much Danvat Pranam. But I don't think any Brajvasi doing it Danvat Pranam. Even sometime Madhu Mangal telling Krishna, Pranam, I am Brahman, I am Brahman, I give you mercy. Then you get more auspicious. So this type Brajvasi. Mother, Jasoda Mother Krishna sometimes forget to Pranam to mother, morning early going to cow grazing. But sometimes friend calling, Krishna, Krishna, hurry, hurry. So sometimes Krishna quickly running, no? Even sometimes without cleaning mouth, without cleaning hand, just eating, or some friend calling quickly, otherwise cow very distant going. So Krishna just eating, running on sometimes on hand, just no in is no cloth like boss, like hanky type, no, in tambal like this. So no like this. On forget to pranam to mother. On 2-3 kilometers Krishna gone. Then mother remember my child going cow grazing, but no did pranam me. So maybe today he will get unauspicious. The mother shouting, oh Krishna, hey Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Then Krishna saying, what? Hearing, saying, you going forest but did pranam to your mother. Oh mother, I forget. Come, do pranam. I will give blessing. And then Krishna doing pranam, mother giving so much blessing. He become lakhs cows master. You become this, you get nice, this, many blessings. So this is Braja mood, no? But here no one giving Krishna any blessing. All are taking from Krishna blessing. Even Devki mother Vasudev Maharaj also doing Pranam Krishna. When Krishna released from jail, they did Pranam saying his Jagdishwar, Paramatma, Brahm, Partatma. Krishna Vasudeva said, Vigyai Jagdishwar. Supreme Personality Godhead. So they know did Pranam. And they know taking Krishna's Pranam. Or no giving Krishna blessing. They are doing Krishna's Pranam saying he blessed to us. Because he relieved us from this jail, this, that. When looking opulence, then no more Basal mood. Das mood came. Braja, as much Krishna showing his opulence, his power, his Aishwarya, but Brajvasi always no defeat by time. Even he holding Giriraj Govardhan, but no Brajvasi did any Pranam. Even they like help to Krishna, putting on bamboo, on a stick, and saying Krishna, don't worry, we also supporting you. So like this, they no feel Krishna big. To me, kon badlo kuni ame. So this much cannot. So when he returned to Vrindavan, कहते तुम्हारे पदक द्वय करा जदुदय, तबे तुम्हारे पूर्ण कृपा. This temple open? No.
No,
Huh?
they are waiting. Temple not open.
तो कहते तुम्हारे पद द्वय करा जदुदय, तबे तुम्हारे पूर्ण कृपा. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Jagannath Puri, Jagannath, this mood, suppression mood on what is Radhika mood, bring to Jagannath. In Vrindavan, bring to Krishna Vrindavan from Kurukshetra, no? Jagannath, Nilachal is no? Jagannath, like Kurukshetra and this Gundicha is like Vrindavan, no? This Rath Jatra, pulling this mood means Krishna no go to out of Braja, and if go, then Krishna bring in Braja forever. For Brajavasi happiness. Then no more suppression. So this all our Guru Vargas, this mood bhajan. All Rup Sanatan, all this mood feel bhajan. So this our Jagannath Mahaprabhu whole time spent in Puri, this mood always bringing in Vrindavan, keeping Vrindavan, and is too much absorbed than himself of Vrindavan making one. Bane man ek kari man. No anyone come this idea, no anyone come this mind. After this type of idea, this type of understanding give to us. So we're very lucky, we are. this line, this Mahaprabhu mercy, this feeling, this is instruction we are getting, and if one drop will come in heart, our life will success.
Yes.
So this is our sadhan. How this mood can enter. This always think. Otherwise, just eating, sleeping, this, that, nothing. Some feel disappear, some feel burning. Your sadhan, your mood develop. Your this by bhajan. Like Goswami Vargas, they were high position but always crying. They have nothing. Na prema. Prema is very distant, even no faith or bhakti. So how I can get Krishna? And how this mood will come, this type Sarvan Kirtan we have no. Na prema, sarvanadi, yoga athva Vaishnava. We have no qualification, no Vaishnavata. So where this thing coming, which place we can get this type mood, we have no this type qualification we can associate to that. So we are very fallen, very low. Name of bhakti, like aparad doing, no? So this type fallen, this type low, this type aparadhi, how can get to that? So hey Gopijan Vallabh Krishna, just hope. We can keep this hope, you are very kind. Deen Bandhu, Dayalu, no? Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu, Deen Bandhu Jagatpati. So you don't look to our side is nothing. We have no qualification, but from your side, you can give mercy because you're free, you're independent. So this way pray to Krishna, then Krishna can, this mood, Mahaprabhu can give this mood. Like Rupa Goswami saying, I am very fallen, I am so aparadhi, so papi. Still I am something telling, then same feel to same. But still I have no way, I have no options. Like some person drop on ground, some person big aparad dropping on ground, like some person fallen, drop on ground. So who are dropping on ground, this person ground is the shelter. So I am doing too much aparad, you and your Vaishnava, but they are shelter. Bhumyaskrit pavanan, bhumi revala avalambanam. Like I am walking and drop. And this earth is my
Shelter.
shelter.
Protection.
The same, so Guru Vaishnava, Bhagwan Seva, any aparad coming dropping, so they are shelter. Where can go? We cannot go here, there, no? So, anyhow, good and bad, I am yours, just accept. Bolo Sachinandan Gaur, Hari Ki Jai.